Individualism in Urdu, Infaradiyat Pasandi. A brief talk by Riazul Islam Khan. Have you ever noticed that some people always want to appear different? Is it just a desire? Is it just a desire or silent competition with the world, with others, or within themselves? Individualism. It is a beautiful word, but the reality behind it is not always beautiful. To be individual means to have your own identity, to think independently, not to blindly follow others. But the question is, what happens when this desire shifts from being unique to being different at any cost? Then a person stops speaking the truth and starts speaking what is new. They stop thinking what is right and start thinking what is different. And slowly they begin to feel superior to others. That is the moment when individuality turns into ego. What does such a person leave behind in friendships? Some people feel inspired, but most drift away because relationships require equality, and an individualist often seeks superiority. And what if such a person holds power? Then decisions are no longer for the people, but for personal recognition. Consultation fades and ego takes over. And then the damage is not limited to one person, it spreads across the entire nation. So, the real question is not whether individualism is good or bad. The real question is, does your individuality carry humility? Does your individuality carry humility? Or is it a restless attempt to stand out? That's it. Thank you.